Let's take a look at this question where they ask us to simplify some expressions using our rules of logarithms. So just some simple exercises using some of the rules that we know for logarithms. So for letter A, they want us to simplify log base 2 of 12. Now I know that 12 is actually 3 times 4, so I can simplify this as log base 2 of 3 times 4. So that 3 times 4 is still in the log. We could have done 2 times 6 as well. That would have worked, and I encourage you to try 2 times 6. It breaks down. So log base 2 of 3 times 4 using our log rules. This becomes log base 3 plus log base 2 of 4. And we can also rewrite 4 as 2 to the power of 2. So log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 2 to the power of 2. And knowing our logarithm rules, when there's an exponent inside the log, we can bring that 2 and the exponent down out front of the log. So that becomes log base 2 of 3 plus 2 log base 2 of 2. Now log 2 base 2 is equal to 1, because that's another log rule. So that becomes log base 2 of 3 plus 2 times 1, which just becomes 2. Let's look at letter B, log base 5 of 15. So log base 5, of 16 is equal to, well, 16 is actually equal to 2 to the power of 4. So I'm just going to write 2 to the power of 4. And using that same rule that we used above, this exponent inside the log can come down front. So that becomes 4 log base 5 of 2. There's not really much more we can do about that one. Finally, let's take a look at letter C. Log base 5 of 3 divided by 25. So this is log base 5 of 3 divided by 25. So using our log rule, when we have a fraction or a division inside of our log, we can break this into log base 5 of the numerator, 3, minus log base 5 of the denominator, which is 25. I can also rewrite 25 as 5 to the power of 2, kind of the same thing we did before above. So that's log base 5 of 3, and then this becomes log base 5 of 5 to the power of 2. Now, using that same rule that we saw above, where we have an exponent inside of a log, we can rewrite this as log base 5 of 3, so that doesn't really change. But this exponent 2 can come down in front of this log, and it becomes 2 log base 5 of 5. And for the same reason up here, where log base 2 of 2 was 1, log base 5 of 5 is 1. So this becomes log base 5 of 3 minus 2 times 1, which is just 2.